afternoon, people. Hope your day is going great so far. You're there with Just Facts and we're there only for spit. Just the facts. You see me, people? Yeah, so that one about Shenseea. Shenseea went to get her ear removed. Not her hair on her head, but you don't know, here on her arms and different places. But due to the pain, Shenseea did have to postpone. You see me? So, this is it.
Hold it back. Oh!
See, you didn't die. Next arm.
And before it starts sweat. I just want to look more stuff. Just take up here. God. I clean go let me can't eat for under the know.
And I.
I'm gonna look if I'm dead. I'm gonna look if I'm dead.
It worked. No. It worked. It worked.
We're not going to do pum pum, not today at all.
Do the landing strip. No hair, no hair, hair.
Me good. I'm staying at the bushes.
Say your Shenseea say it herself, she have to postpone this because you don't know the pain. Yeah, speaking about postpone, we also have squash. With the future of the postponed 6 is real concert uncertain, ticket holders have the option of getting a refund. The event promoters say the squash associated concert, originally advertised for March 29 at Sabina Park in Kingston, was denied permits after police reported that there was an upsurge in violence in the area. However, popular party series East unfolded at the venue on Friday, despite the police statement. Speaking to the Star, the concert organizer, who goes by the name One Time Music, said his time is finalizing a new concert date and it will be releasing this week. Sorry people, his team is finalizing a new concert date, so later down the week we should know where this new venue is going to be and if it's going to be on the exact same date as what them planned for. Well, obviously today are April 8th, so must be a later date. So that is what is going on for Squash, the 6 boss and the 6 team. You see me, I say people? Yeah, so we have to just look out for that and see what is going on there. Yeah, and since we're on the topic of events, we also have Romeich, event promoter and artist manager Romeich, right? So Romeich right now, he have a blast out on KSAMC. Yeah, people. He have a blast out on them and say rats don't drink alcohol or eat cups. Because you don't know, it's like them a put off a lot of shows saying the event promoters them now clean up after the show them. Yeah, so we could get into the story and find out what is what. So popular event promoter and artist manager Romeich Major of Romeich Entertainment is calling on his peers to take a stand following the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporations KSAMC decision to cease issuing permits for staging of entertainment events at their parking lots. They mentioned that the area suffers from rat infestation and the areas aren't being cleaned up after. I know for certain that there is a cleanup expense in all promoters' budgets and the place is cleaned up after, and these events don't sell food, hence not contributing to any rat infestation, he said. Rats don't drink alcohol or eat cups. That's what Romeich say. There are a number of promoters who are affected just as I am by this and who don't have a voice as I do, so that's why I'm speaking up, Romeich told the Star. Yeah, so Romeich just a knockout on KSAMC. The word is a tongue twister, you know, KSAMC. Yeah, man knockout on them and I say, yo, what them are going with a foolishness? You see me? Oh, them for nah give out permit because promoters nah clean up after show. You see me? So you must say, yo, rat no eat cup and rat no deal with alcohol. So he must say the promoters them now nothing to do with this infestation what go on. You see me? So what do you think people don't think where Romeich say a real thing, say rat now have nothing to do with them thing there. Alcohol and eating cups. My thoughts on it, people, still is that once you have a unclean area a place where whole heap of little leftovers and all of that. You don't know them things that attract pests, you see me? Any kind of pest at all, rat, roach, any kind. Yeah, so that are my thoughts on it. Romeich might not be totally correct in terms of what I'm saying, but I get where I try to say still. You see me? Wanna comment below and tell me your thoughts, people. That one here just a quick review while we on the go, so maybe later we'll come back on that topic. Late, just facts. I'm out.